Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I can't believe it's already August. And what that means is that it's a new month for a new series. So I had a great idea when I was kind of planning something with my friends to do a brunch series. So all month long, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some brunch ideas. The first one is going to be a 4-ingredient banana pancake. And just hear me out. Just, watch the episode and let me know what you guys think. It's delicious and it's super simple. So if you guys like brunch ideas, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is pick up some very, very ripe bananas. The darker they are, the better, because we're not adding any sugar, so all of your sweetness is gonna come from this banana. And I would even say the one that I have right now is a little light in color. I use the bananas that they look like they're just about to go bad. So anyways, you're gonna take your banana and then just peel it and add it to your bowl. And then with a fork, you're just gonna try to mash it up until it is completely mashed and there's no big chunks. Okay, so I don't have any more big pieces. That looks good. So now what I'm gonna do is add an egg. So I just have one whole egg that I'm gonna add. And then I'm gonna first mix that all up really well before I add in the oats. All right, so that looks good. What I'm gonna do is add a tiny bit of vanilla extract. And then the last ingredient, main ingredient, is just some old-fashioned rolled oats. And this gives it, I think, a little bit of kind of like a floury taste to it. So I like it. You can also add a little bit of flour, but I wanted to kind of keep this lighter. So that's why I just did the rolled oats. And now I have a pan that is on medium. And I got this cute little pan. It's got little, pockets for the pancakes from, I forget, maybe Target. I can link it down below if you guys are interested. But it's from Nordic Wear. What I'm gonna do is just spray some cooking spray, and then, oops, my pan's a little hot. Just gonna add, yeah. Make sure your pan isn't quite so hot, but just add in all of your batter. And this is one serving, so this is just for one person. If you want to make more, just add more bananas, double all the ingredients, and you're good. So now, just a few minutes on one side, and I'll show you guys when I flip over. All right, I did forget, optional, this is totally optional, is adding a little bit of nuts on top. So I've got some pecans, crushed pecans, and I've also got some almonds. Totally optional, you can leave this out, but I think I just kind of like the flavor that it gives off, so I'm gonna add it. All right, so it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. Perfect. And now just a couple more minutes on this side and you are done with your super easy breakfast/brunch item. All right, guys, these are done. So now I'm just gonna plate it and top it off with some maple syrup. And I wanted to tell you guys, make sure when you buy maple syrup that first of all, it says maple syrup, because sometimes it will say pancake syrup, and pancake syrup actually doesn't even have maple syrup as an ingredient, or maple as an ingredient. So this is from Kirkland, Costco, and this one says in the back, 100% pure organic maple syrup as the only ingredient. I say this because I have seen so many places that have just pancake syrup, and it's not maple syrup, guys. So anyways, I'm going to be topping off my little pancakes with a little bit of maple syrup. And that is it. So you can add a little bit of extra nuts if you want, just for a little extra crunch. And then just gonna top it off with a little extra maple syrup. There you go. All right, guys, that is it. That is our super simple, super easy, and quick brunch idea. So now, favorite part, of course, let's do a little bit of taste testing. Hot, really, really hot, but so good. Although I will say, if you are looking for like that floury kind of taste, you're not gonna get it out of this. This is a very eggy, and just with the mixture of the banana, I think, and the rolled oats, you do get a little bit less of an eggy feel, but it definitely doesn't replace an old-fashioned pancake or waffle. So, but it's delicious all the same, and I definitely like having it when I'm in the mood for kind of a quick, healthy, easy breakfast or brunch idea. So guys, if you guys like brunch ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.